Hi, my name is Kate and today I would like to show you how to make a very rich, very fulfilling tofu scrambled toast. This video starts off the series of recipes I prepared for you and I will be posting here before the Easter time, so those of you who celebrate it can really indulge during this time and celebrate it to the fullest, and those of you who don't, well, who said you cannot have a lot of food, a lot of good food? So it's basically for everyone anyways, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the future videos. And now without further ado, let's get straight into the recipe. We will start off by peeling and chopping one small red onion, and then we will squash 2 garlic cloves to make the peeling process easier and chop them roughly. Then we will cut about 12 cherry tomatoes in 4. On the pan we will heat up a splash of liquid aminos or low sodium soy sauce and a splash of water. When the pan is warm, we will add chopped onion and garlic and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes, adding some water if needed. Then we will add 200 grams of natural tofu. Just crumble it up straight into the pan with your hands. Next off, we will add 150 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of very good nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika powder and a pinch of turmeric. Then we will add kala namak, which is a salt that will add this sulfurous egg-like taste to our scrambled tofu. Depending on the brand and your preferences, the amount we will add will vary. I recommend starting with half of a teaspoon and adding more to taste if needed. We will mix it well and cook until the water evaporates. In the end, we will add most of the cherry tomatoes and mix them in. Then we will heat up 2 thick slices of good quality whole grain bread. You can do it in a toaster, on the pan or in the oven, whatever you prefer. And then we will serve the bread fully covered with scrambled tofu and top it with some freshly grounded black pepper, leftover cherry tomatoes and some chopped green onion. So as you can see, this recipe is pretty easy to make and it's really impressive, so make sure you try it out. And also you can replace the tomatoes with some mushrooms or maybe some vegan bacon or vegan sausage or spinach. Really, the possibilities are endless, so definitely play around with it. And if you like this video, please make sure you comment down below, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that really helps a lot. As always, the full breakdown to this recipe is already up on the website alongside with a free PDF that you can download for a future reference. And if you ever make this one or any other of my recipes, please make sure you post the photo on Instagram and tag me ReShape_official so I can also see it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and really appreciate your time, and yeah, see you in the next one.